2011-12 AZAL PFC season. Squad. As of 7 February 2012 note, flags indicate national team as defined under FIFA eligibility rules. Players may hold more than one non-FIFA nationality. Transfers. Summer. Winter. Competitions. Azerbaijan Premier League. Results summary. Results by round. Results table. Azerbaijan Premier League relegation group. Results summary. Results by round. Results table. Azerbaijan Cup. Europa League. First qualifying round. Squad statistics. Appearances and goals. As of 14 May 2012. Goal scorers. Disciplinary record. References.